We're talking about turmeric, the golden spice that's been hailed for its numerous health benefits. But as with anything, there are some important things you need to know to use it safely and effectively. We all love a little spice in our lives, right? Whether it's adding a kick to our favorite dishes or exploring new flavors, spices play a huge role in our culinary adventures. And when it comes to spices, turmeric is a rock star. Turmeric, with its vibrant golden hue, is not just a feast for the eyes but also a powerhouse of health benefits. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking, and for good reason. From its anti-inflammatory properties to its potential in boosting brain health, turmeric has a lot to offer. It's got that beautiful golden hue and it's packed with health benefits. You might have seen it in golden milk, smoothies, or even in skincare products. Its versatility is truly impressive. But like anything else, you gotta use it right. Too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to issues. That's why it's essential to know how to incorporate turmeric into your diet safely and effectively. Today we're diving deep into never make these 10 common mistakes when using turmeric. We'll cover everything from dosage to potential interactions with medications, and even some surprising facts you might not be aware of. We're talking potential side effects, things you really need to be aware of, and how to incorporate turmeric safely into your diet. For instance, did you know that taking turmeric on an empty stomach can sometimes cause digestive issues? Or that combining it with certain medications might not be a good idea? Remember, I'm here to give you the information you need to make the best decisions for your health. My goal is to help you enjoy the benefits of turmeric without any of the downsides. So, whether you're a seasoned turmeric user or just starting to explore its potential, this video is for you. So stick around, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into it. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use turmeric safely and effectively, ensuring you get the most out of this incredible spice. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets to making turmeric a beneficial part of your daily routine. Okay, first up, let's talk about your stomach. It's one of the most sensitive parts of your body, and it can react to various foods and supplements in unexpected ways. Turmeric is powerful stuff, and for some people it can lead to some, shall we say, digestive discomfort. This golden spice, often hailed for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, isn't always a friend to your gut. Think heartburn, gas, bloating, maybe even some nausea. Not fun, right? These symptoms can be quite uncomfortable and may deter you from enjoying the benefits of turmeric. This is usually due to curcumin, the active compound in turmeric. Curcumin is what gives turmeric its vibrant color and many of its health benefits, but it can also be a bit harsh on the stomach lining. Now, before you swear off turmeric forever, the good news is that you can often avoid these issues by starting with a low dose and gradually increasing it. Just like you wouldn't dive into a pool without testing the water first, you shouldn't dive into high doses of turmeric without easing your body into it. Think of it like training for a marathon. You wouldn't start by running 26 miles on day one, right? Same goes for turmeric. Your body needs time to adjust to new substances, especially potent ones like turmeric. Listen to your body. If you're feeling any discomfort, cut back on the turmeric and talk to your doctor. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. And here's a pro tip: taking turmeric with food can also help minimize any potential stomach upset. When you consume turmeric with a meal, it can be easier on your digestive system and reduce the likelihood of experiencing those unpleasant symptoms. Incorporating turmeric into your cooking is another great way to enjoy its benefits without overwhelming your stomach. You can add it to soups, stews, and even smoothies. Turmeric lattes, also known as golden milk, are a delicious and soothing way to consume this spice. It's also important to be mindful of the form of turmeric you're using. Turmeric supplements can be more concentrated than the spice you use in cooking, so they might be more likely to cause digestive issues. Always read the labels and follow the recommended dosages. Staying hydrated and maintaining a balanced diet can also help your body handle turmeric better. Drinking plenty of water and eating a variety of nutrient-rich foods can support your digestive health and overall well-being. Lastly, managing stress through activities like meditation and yoga can improve your digestive health. Stress can exacerbate stomach issues, so finding ways to relax and unwind can make a big difference. So, don't be discouraged if turmeric causes you some initial discomfort. With a few adjustments and a mindful approach, you can still enjoy its many benefits without the downside. Remember, it's all about balance and listening to your body. Alright, let's talk about something a little more serious. Kidney stones. Now, turmeric is generally considered safe for most people, but if you're prone to kidney stones, you need to be extra careful. Turmeric is high in oxalates, and oxalates can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in some people. This doesn't mean you can never enjoy turmeric again, but it does mean moderation is key. Stay hydrated, guys. That's crucial for preventing kidney stones in general. And if you have any concerns, please talk to your doctor. They can give you personalized advice based on your medical history. Next up, let's talk about allergies. Now, turmeric allergies are relatively rare, but they can happen. Symptoms can range from mild, like skin rashes or itching, to more severe, like difficulty breathing or anaphylaxis. If you experience any of these symptoms after consuming turmeric, stop using it immediately and seek medical attention. And remember, guys, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before trying a new food or supplement, especially if you have a history of allergies. Alright, this next one is super important, especially if you're on any medications. Turmeric can have blood-thinning effects. Now, this can be beneficial in some cases, but if you're already taking blood thinners like warfarin, turmeric can amplify their effects, increasing the risk of bleeding. It's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding turmeric to your diet if you're on any blood-thinning medications. They can help you determine if it's safe for you and adjust your medication dosage if necessary. Remember, communication with your healthcare provider is key. Let's talk about the gallbladder. Turmeric can stimulate the gallbladder to produce more bile, which is generally a good thing. However, if you have any pre-existing gallbladder issues, like gallstones, this increased bile production can actually cause pain and discomfort. So, if you have a history of gallbladder problems, it's best to be cautious with turmeric and consult your doctor before adding it to your diet. They can assess your individual situation and advise you accordingly. Iron is essential for our bodies, and turmeric can actually interfere with iron absorption. Now, if you have a healthy iron level, this probably isn't a big deal. But if you're already iron deficient, turmeric could potentially worsen the problem. So, if you're concerned about your iron levels, talk to your doctor. They can check your iron levels and recommend ways to optimize your iron intake, which might include adjusting your turmeric consumption or taking an iron supplement. Turmeric has been shown to have blood sugar lowering effects, which can be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. However, if you're already taking medication to manage your blood sugar, adding turmeric to the mix could potentially cause your blood sugar to drop too low. This is called hypoglycemia, and it can lead to dizziness, confusion, and even fainting. So, if you're managing diabetes with medication, it's essential to monitor your blood sugar closely and talk to your doctor before using turmeric. Okay, let's talk about fertility. Now, there's limited research on turmeric's direct impact on fertility in humans. However, some studies suggest that high doses of turmeric may interfere with ovulation in women and lower testosterone levels in men. Now, I know this is a sensitive topic, and it's important to remember that more research is needed in this area. But if you're trying to conceive, it's always best to err on the side of caution and talk to your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement routine. We talked about this a little earlier, but nausea is a common side effect of turmeric, especially in higher doses. This is usually caused by curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, irritating the stomach lining. If you experience nausea after taking turmeric, try taking it with food or reducing your dosage. And as always, if the nausea persists or becomes severe, it's important to consult your doctor. Last but not least, let's talk about diarrhea. Turmeric can have a laxative effect, which means it can loosen stools and potentially lead to diarrhea, especially in higher doses. Now, for some people, this might be a welcome side effect, but for others, it can be quite uncomfortable. If you experience diarrhea after consuming turmeric, try reducing your dosage or taking it with food. And if the diarrhea persists or becomes severe, it's important to stay hydrated and consult your doctor. So there you have it, guys. 10 common mistakes to avoid when using turmeric. These mistakes can range from using too much turmeric to not using it in the right form. It's crucial to be aware of these pitfalls to make the most out of this incredible spice. Remember, turmeric is a powerful spice with a lot to offer, but like anything else, it's important to use it wisely and listen to your body. Overuse can lead to digestive issues or other side effects, so moderation is key. If you're considering adding turmeric to your diet or supplement routine, talk to your doctor, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. Your doctor can provide personalized advice based on your health history and current medications. Now, I want to hear from you. Your experiences and tips can help others in the community make informed decisions about using turmeric. Have you ever experienced any side effects from turmeric? Some people report stomach upset or allergic reactions, so it's important to share your experiences. What are your favorite ways to incorporate this golden spice into your diet? Whether it's adding it to your morning smoothie, making a comforting turmeric latte, or using it in your cooking, there are so many delicious ways to enjoy turmeric. Let me know in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable, and I'm excited to read about your experiences and tips. Together we can create a community of turmeric enthusiasts who use this spice wisely and reap its many benefits.